Quickly solve this jam pass question. This is 1989 question 2. The question says the magnitude of the resultant of two mutually perpendicular forces, F1 and F2, is 13 Newton. So their resultant is 13 Newton. Full stop. If the magnitude of F1 is 5 Newton, what is the magnitude of F2? So we have to find the magnitude of F2. So the forces are mutually perpendicular. When forces are mutually perpendicular, it means they are at angle 90 degrees to each other. So let's draw a diagram to illustrate what they have said. Let's take this to be F1 and this to be F2. The resultant must come from their common point of intersection. And they told us that this resultant is 13 Newton. Okay, so we can complete the diagram. We may not need this diagram to solve our problem anyway. So if it's objective question, you just go straight. If you know what you are doing, go straight, substitute and solve. Now, they told us that F1 is 5 Newton. We should find F2. Use your Pythagoras theorem where we have the resultant R squared to be equal to F1 squared plus F2 squared. Okay? So we substitute. The total resultant is 13. That is 13 squared is equal to F2 is 5. F1 is 5. So we put it 5 squared plus F2 squared. All right? 13 squared is going to give us 169 is equal to 5 squared is 25 plus F2 squared. All right? So I'm going to make F2 squared the subject of formula so that we're going to have F2 squared is going to be 169 minus 25. That is going to give us F2 squared is equal to 144. All right? Now take square root of both sides so that we are going to have that F2 is equal to square root 144. And the square root of 144, if you press that with your calculator, is going to give you 12.0 Newton. And that is the answer. All right, so if you cross-check against the options they are giving us, option A says A equals to 2.6 Newton, B 8.0 Newton, C 12.0 Newton, D 18 Newton, and C is the correct option. Thank you so much. Please comment, like, and share. And also